If you want ultra-realistic, high-detail AI images, here's how to select Flux 2 Pro in Artlist AI for professional quality outputs. First, open Artlist AI and go to the AI image generator inside the toolkit. Next, look for the Model drop-down menu at the top of the interface. Click it to see all available image models. Now select Flux 2 Pro, which is designed for production-level quality, realistic detail, and strong prompt accuracy. After selecting it, you can enter a detailed prompt describing your image, include lighting, composition, style, and any objects or text you want. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Flux 2 Pro will produce high-fidelity, photorealistic images with strong consistency and improved text rendering. You have now learned how to select Flux 2 Pro for high-fidelity images in Artlist AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.